It's a what? Woo-woo, it's a train. What other things do you have in that picture? Who's this? Hmm? Who else is in the picture? What is it? Blocks? Books are in there? What else is there?
Mama.
Is that Mama playing with the baby?
Mama, I don't know.
Who's that? Who's that? Baby. Let's see what's on this page. Uh-oh, what's that? Well, what is that? A boom? But what is that? Yeah? And what does this do? What's this? Yeah. What is this, Andrew? What's that? What is it? Bus. Yeah. And what's that? Car. Oh, where are they playing? No thumb in mouth. Take the thumb out. Thank you. Where are they playing? Where are they, Andrew? In the park? They're in the park? Where's the slide?